AI model, ISO 91001, DNN network with 5 input layers, 9 hidden layers, and 10 output nodes. Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. AI model, ISO 91001, DNN network with 5 input layers, 9 hidden layers, and 10 output nodes. By Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. Here's a detailed explanation of the inputs, hidden layers, and output layers in the context of ISO 21001, the International Standard for Educational Organizations Management Systems, EOMS. Brain DNN Network Explanation, ISO 21001, School Improvement AI Model. Input layers, 5 layers, 15 features total. Each of the 5 input layers handles critical educational quality indicators. The 15 input features reflect ISO 21001 core principles. Input feature ISO 21001 relevance. Learner needs identification, customizing learning pathways. Curriculum relevance, alignment with stakeholder expectations. Faculty competence, teacher qualifications and upskilling. Assessment practices, quality, fairness, and transparency. Learning environment, safety, inclusiveness, and accessibility. Infrastructure quality, physical/digital learning resources. Stakeholder satisfaction, feedback from students, parents, staff. Innovation and research, encouraging continuous improvement. Inclusion and equity, ensuring access and fairness. Professional development, teacher and staff training. Governance, compliance, meeting regulatory requirements. Community involvement, engagement with external stakeholders. Digital readiness, tech-enabled learning. Resource allocation, effective budgeting and logistics. Support services, counseling, special needs, mentoring. These layers simulate multidimensional school inputs received from audits, surveys, digital logs, and performance trackers. Counterclockwise arrows button, hidden layers, 9 layers. The hidden layers simulate deep reasoning and learning patterns, mimicking how an AI engine processes complex educational data. Each layer in the stack extracts patterns progressively. 1 layer 1 to 3, detect basic interactions, example correlation between infrastructure and learner satisfaction. 2 layer 4 to 6, learn nonlinear patterns, example how stakeholder satisfaction interacts with governance and equity. 3 layer 7 to 9, final signal refinement, removing noise and emphasizing highly predictive factors. These 9 layers ensure deep analysis of teaching learning processes. Risk assessment of non-compliance areas. Prioritization of improvement zones. Outbox tray output layer, 10 output metrics. Each of the 10 output nodes represents a key performance indicator, KPI, as defined by ISO 21001 school improvement frameworks. Output metric description. Academic quality score, overall performance in student outcomes. Teaching effectiveness, staff competency and delivery impact. Operational efficiency, time, cost, and resource utilization. Student engagement, attendance, participation, feedback. Digital learning index, readiness and success of digital tools. Inclusion and equity index, fair treatment across learner types. Stakeholder satisfaction, parents, teachers, and student approval. Audit compliance score, ISO 21001 standard adherence level. Innovation index, rate of pedagogical and operational innovation. Improvement roadmap score, progress on long-term school development goals. These outputs guide school leaders and ISO auditors in making strategic and evidence-based decisions. Direct hit key benefits of this DNN model for ISO 21001. Bar chart automates performance evaluation across all ISO 21001 domains. Magnifying glass tilted left identifies gaps in education delivery, infrastructure, and governance. Vertical traffic light flags high-risk areas needing immediate improvement. Brain supports data-driven decisions for school boards, principals, and auditors. Thank you.